Alright, this is my Eastern ramrodder bike check. I'll start off in the front, work my way back. I got Zach 30 Winston rims. I got Primo spokes and nipples. No homo. I got Eastern forks. I got an Eastern tire.
Curb monkey tire.
I got a Curb Monkey Eastern tire. I got animal grips, animal bar ends. I know it's mainly Eastern and animal, but then I got Eastern bars, Eastern stem, Primo, GHP headset. I got just the basic Odyssey whole brake system, gyro, and yeah, clearly an Eastern ramrodder frame. I got a blue animal axle, and I got green Eastern crank arms. Clearly, I got Haro racing pedals. I got GHP. Wait, I forgot the name of it. What was it?
Our DK Iron Cross Light.
I got a DK sprocket that my friend gave to me that's recording this video. I got a
KMC chain.
Huh?
KMC chain.
I got a KMC chain, and I love how like people are gonna be making fun of me for this. Shut up, YouTube. I got a just Eastern seat, another Winston back rim, Zach 30. I got more Primo spokes and nipples, and then I have and then I got
Eastern bidirectional.
Eastern, yeah, bidirectional
Cassette hub.
cassette hub.
And animal tire.
It's sealed and just I don't. And then this tire is Eastern too, so yeah, that's my bike check. Showed up because I just got this bike recently. I don't know mainly what the parts are, so.